Welcome to the future of solar energy, where your panels don't just produce power, they produce predictable profits. If you're a solar asset owner, EPC, or O&M manager, you already know. Efficiency is everything. But here's the challenge. Solar systems often underperform silently. Even a 5% dip in efficiency across a 10-megawatt plant can translate to thousands of dollars lost every month. Solar performance monitoring is no longer optional. It's the backbone of every profitable solar business. Think of it like a fitness tracker for your energy system. Without monitoring, issues go unnoticed. Inverter faults soiling on panels, PID, potential induced degradation. Shading from new construction or vegetation, module mismatch connector corrosion. These problems often don't trigger alarms, but they quietly chip away at your bottom line. In fact, according to NREL, up to 20% of solar production is lost due to undetected or delayed issues. In the past, solar maintenance was reactive. Someone noticed a drop in production, then you'd dispatch a crew to investigate. But now, thanks to performance monitoring tools powered by IoT, drones, and AI, you can shift to a proactive model. Instead of waiting for losses to accumulate, today's solar operators use real-time alerts, predictive diagnostics, and data visualization to act instantly and intelligently. Without a strong performance monitoring system, you risk missed revenue opportunities, unplanned downtime, overheating modules, warranty voids, poor investor confidence. And that's not just theoretical. Studies show solar projects with robust monitoring generate up to 10 to 20% more revenue annually compared to poorly maintained systems. The cost of installing a monitoring solution is minimal compared to the revenue it protects. A single missed issue, like a malfunctioning inverter in a 1-megawatt plant, can cause over $20,500 a month in losses. And when you multiply that across 5, 10, or 50 sites, the losses are exponential. Whether you manage a 500-kilo rooftop or a 100-megawatt utility-scale farm, this video is your blueprint for data-driven success. Your panels might look perfect, but hidden issues could be killing your output. That's why visual inspections alone just aren't enough anymore. Let's break down the most common and costly solar performance issues that every commercial plant faces, often without realizing. 1. Soiling and dust accumulation. Panels covered in dust, bird droppings, or pollution can lose up to 30% of their output, and rain doesn't always help, especially in humid or industrial areas. 2. Inverter failures and mismatches. One failed inverter can take down an entire string. Worse, some inverters degrade gradually, producing less power without any fault indication. 3. Potential induced degradation, PID. PID causes a slow voltage leak, silently degrading your panels. It's hard to detect visually, but shows up in thermal imaging and consistent underperformance in the data. Enter data-driven solar monitoring, a smarter way to oversee every watt your plant generates. Most commercial solar monitoring systems operate through 4 essential layers: smart inverters, irradiance sensors, and environmental monitors collect real-time data on voltage, current, temperature, soiling, shading, weather impacts. Gateways collect and transmit data to the cloud or SCADA systems using secure protocols, ensuring nothing is missed. This is your command center. Here, you'll find real-time power flows, alerts, trends, and even predictive warnings for component degradation. AI doesn't just watch, it learns. By comparing historical and real-time data, it flags abnormalities before they cause losses. Your system flags: abnormal performance ratios, underperforming strings, temperature outliers, rapid degradation, production versus irradiance mismatch. Modern dashboards don't just monitor, they give you actionable insights. You can schedule cleaning intelligently, replace aging inverters before failure, adjust string layouts, prove underperformance for warranty claims, benchmark across assets. Let's say your monitoring dashboard detects a 12% underperformance on string number 5. It correlates weather data and rules out low sunlight. It checks inverter health. Okay, drone is dispatched. Thermal imaging reveals a hot spot. Turns out, loose connector. You fix it. Performance restored. Total downtime? 4 hours. Loss prevented? Ours 25,000. Without monitoring, you'd never know. Let's recap where we've come from. We started with a simple truth. Solar panels are powerful, but their real value is unlocked only when they perform at their best, consistently, predictably, efficiently. Like, share, and subscribe for more solar insights. ClearSpot, smart device, smarter decisions.